What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're checking out Blastable. It's an AI-powered S packed with everything you need to bypass spam filters and reach every subscriber on your list. What's worse than throwing a party and no one showing up? Creating an email campaign that no one's ever going to open, duh. But with Blastable, you can stop wasting your time and start getting results. Right off the bat, your dashboard's tracking the most important metrics, like how many subscribers you've gained or lost, overall growth, and engagement. You can see who's opening your emails and clicking on links in real time. Alright, enough chit-chat, it's time to make something. With this one platform, you can build out email blasts, autoresponders, email lists, snazzy email templates, sign-up forms, segments, tags, and automations. Blastable's even got pre-made templates to get the ball rolling. Want to build a custom autoresponder? Just hit Create Autoresponder, give it a name, and select your list. Then add your messages and set up trigger events, like sending an email 5 minutes after someone subscribes. And the cool part is, you can use Blastable's AI copywriter if you're feeling a little less than inspired. Okay, Blastable's basic deal lets you send 20,000 emails a month. But if you want more bang for your buck, I'd absolutely upgrade to Tier 3. This plan unlocks 100,000 monthly emails plus insane perks like multiple sender profiles, marketing automations, and custom time delay automations. Alright, let's get back to the video. Email marketers know how complicated list management can get. Well, with Blastable, you can easily view, search, import, and add new contacts and suppression lists right from the same tab. You can also tinker with account settings here. Stuff like managing your profile, adding custom fields, sending domains, or connecting with Blastable's API. If you hit a snag, Blastable's world-class support is there when you need it. Blastable's email marketing suite takes care of the entire enchilada. Unlimited campaigns, custom autoresponders, audience segmentation, and more. All you gotta do is click buy now to maximize ROI for every email campaign with Blastable.